With eyes on rising tensions in national defense, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. stepped into the command center of the AFP, bringing with him not just policy but purpose, from strategic victories to territorial vigilance. The commander-in-chief laid out the mission to protect the Philippines, stay the course, and never let provocation steer the nation off principle, as our Patrick De Jesus reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself led the 2025 Mid-Year Command Conference of the Armed Forces of the Philippines at Camp Aguinaldo. Also in attendance were Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. and AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr., along with other officials, where they discussed the ongoing operations and accomplishments of the armed forces. The Commander-in-Chief also emphasized his policy of protecting the Philippine territory and sovereignty without provoking conflict.
If I may paraphrase the Commander-in-Chief in the command conference this morning, when he mentioned, and I state, we have no desire to attack anyone. On the other hand, your armed forces has every desire to ensure the integrity of the national territory. We have every desire to protect our sovereignty and our sovereign rights.
In relation to this, the AFP responded to those claiming that the Philippines is merely being used as a launching pad and a pawn in the conflict between superpowers, a statement that even came from a retired military general.
On being turned into another Ukraine, these statements are defeatist and alarmist. They send a wrong message, especially to the Filipino people and even to the former men and women of the armed forces who served under these retired senior officers.
The AFP called on its former members to be responsible when making such statements, especially on matters involving the West Philippine Sea.
There are still a few mouthpieces in the Philippines, Filipino mouthpieces, that have been speaking out the discourse or the narrative of the Chinese Communist Party. This is very unbecoming of a Filipino. Freedom of expression must be based on truth, it must be based on fact, it must be based on the national interest.
The AFP also reiterated that no foreign country dictates the Philippines' actions and that activities conducted with other nations reflect their support for the country.
We will not be dictated by any foreign power, by any country, not even the United States of America. Their support for us, the support of other European powers, of other countries for the Philippine stand on the West Philippine Sea, is based on shared values for freedom of navigation, for international law, and for sovereignty and sovereign rights.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.